Very good evening to you. This respect goes to Dr. Jahangir and his team for 2 days seminar in the form of webinar on research methodology and report writing. When we have discussed formally and both informally about this webinar, we felt it is so important. The reason is very clear. The first point is a country, that's what in the opening remarks also I have stated very clearly. The entire economy is looking for innovation. That is what I was telling always. Two important points. There are two strategies always management students are having. As such, research. It is something like that. Whether you want to adopt a participative strategy or you want to adopt a competitive strategy. Participative strategy may be suitable for some other areas, but what I feel very strictly and very clearly that innovative strategy that will definitely emerge from competitive strategy. If one research thesis comes out with a very good outcomes, and that outcomes definitely it will be useful to the entire economy, and that entire economy will contribute to the growth of the GDP. Friends, today I have taken one presentation from the defense, and because of our neighbors, could be China or could be Pakistan or some other neighbor, and our defense expenditure is enormously increasing year to year. For this one, second important point, and most of this defense technology, we are not on depends on self-reliance, and we are depend on imports, depends on other countries. Now the question is, how long this has to continue? If this is going to continue, every year 5 to 10% we are increasing in the outlay of the defense budget, but how long this is going to? And only for this one is research, innovation, creativity, quality innovation. That is what we try to intending of this project, and this entire credit goes to the Jahangir and his team and organizing secretaries Dr. Smita, Dr. Sampath, and the chairman board of studies, principal of the college. Everybody has contributed their might, including vice principal sir. Everybody contributed their might in successful this one. And the other important thing, what I am trying to say, in the beginning itself I told you, and what I feel, as soon as you registered for your PhD thesis, and first year, as a matter of fact, I request you to sleep with the problem. Sometimes you will get a great idea, and that great idea you try to record on the paper. And once you record on the paper, you see sometimes the great idea emerges within 1 minute or in 1 day in a particular situation. That great idea definitely is going to contribute a lot to your research. That problem identification stage 2, and you need to formulate the hypothesis. From that you need to formulate the objectives. For that you need to decide yourself that what kind of objectives you need to frame, what kind of database you have to collect it, and what kind of statistical tools you need to employ, right, to get the result. And again, that how you are going to interpret that result, right? This is the process. Actually, this is the process. And what I request you need to be very clear about that process. That is what I think this seminar has met with this kind of objectives. And again, what I am trying to request all the research scholars of this department and other participants from other departments also, right? My request is produce qualitative one. Getting degree is the one, getting the qualitative degree is the another part, right? Please focus on the quality, and your quality matters a lot, your quality parameters matters a lot, and that's what always in the management we are advocating, value creation, which is not very easy. And once you created a lot of value from your research, and that is not only going to help you, it is going to help the entire economy and also brings laurels to the Department of Business Management and to the nation. And once again, I am heartfully congratulating Professor Jahangir for his initiative in conducting this 2 days national webinar. I wish him all the best. Good luck to each and everyone. Thank you very much.